I'm going to be making for you Zaatar chicken. Now this is a beautiful recipe because the most important ingredient in this is of course the chicken, but it is the Zaatar that gives it the flavor that you're looking for. Roughly chopped onions. What the onion does is gives it a base of gravy. Since there is no gravy in this chicken, it's pretty dry. 1.5 lime, a handful of garlic. So you have to score the chicken so that the masala gets in. That's a very important thing. Now here is the cauliflower. We do the same thing with the cauliflower. We put onions into the cauliflower. Now into both of them goes pepper. Freshly ground pepper is the best thing you can do for any dish. Now what I have here is bird eye chili oil. And I'm going to add a little of this. So this is our Zaatar mix, which is a ready-made mix. I'm going to use 4 tablespoons of these. 1 for the vegetables. What I'm going to be adding into this is sour cream. So this is the marinade. Now all we have to do is douse it with say about 4 tablespoons here and about 2 tablespoons here. This recipe should be kept overnight in your fridge. Washed hands, don't mix vegetables and chicken marinade ever. I'm going to let this stay in this marinade for about half an hour. I'm going to put half a ladle of vegetable stock so that it does not get too dry. 35 minutes, 190 degrees. Cauliflower,